Here are the steps you need to go through to remove someone who is a contributor on your Squarespace domain. That basically is their terminology for anyone who has permissions to make changes. So first, what you want to do is open this up on your computer. So far, we've not found a way to get it to work correctly on mobile. So open it up on your computer, navigate to domains.squarespace.com. Once there, make sure you're logged in. You can tell if your little picture icon is in the top right next to the hamburger menu. If it's there, you're good to go. Click on your picture. In the drop down, select domains. From there, it will load your domains. Find the domain that you want to make the changes to. We're going to do wedogoogleads.com. Click on that. Down here at the bottom, click on Manage Domain Settings. Now on the left, we're going to click on Permissions. Now you can see me, myself, and I have permissions on this particular domain name. So we're actually going to remove this contributor. So we're going to click the arrow next to the name. Now we're going to click on the ellipse ... menu icon here. In the drop down, we've got two options: remove permissions and remove contributor. We're going to fully remove the contributor. So we click on that. It says, "Are you sure you want to do this?" And we say, "Yep, sure, no problem." We click remove, and you can see all done.